Hello, good morning, my dear students. Yesterday we understood one poem, but today we will know about very important two grammar chapters. One, describing word, lesson number 8, and second, lesson number 9, comparison. Both chapters are very much important for your English subject. So, pay attention carefully, watch all videos properly and try to understand, and then do exercises in grammar. Right? Because till you learn English, these both chapters are very important for you. Okay? So, I am giving you all explanation properly. I will also send you some YouTube videos. So watch all videos properly and do your work properly. Okay. So let's start our today's English session. Okay students, open your grammar textbook, page number 16, lesson number 8, describing words. Okay, before I tell you anything, see here. Look at these sentences. This is a fat hen, right? That is an empty basket. Empty basket. These are round tables. Ravi's shoes are black. These mangoes are sweet. Now see here the words fat, empty, round, black and sweet are describing words. The word fat describes the hen, right? The word empty describes the table, the basket. The word round describes the tables, right? The shoes are black, so the word black describes the shoes. The mangoes are sweet, so word sweet describes the mangoes, right? So, describing words describes person, place, animals or birds, right, or things. Describing word is the words which describe the person, animals or birds, places or thing, right? It tells us more about a person, place, animal or thing. हमें कुछ और जानकारी देता है. Describing words tells us about the color, shape and size also, right? For example, brown socks. So here brown tells us something about socks and that is color. It is telling about the color of the socks, right? Square window. So here square. So here this word telling us about the shapes of window, right? Then big shop. Here the shop is big. So here we know about the size of the shop. So describing words also tells about the color, shape and size. They tell us about some special quality also. For example, hot tea, dark clouds, right? They may also tell us how many there are. It means number. 4 glasses. So here we know about how many glasses are there. 4 glasses, right? It comes before noun. See, describing words comes before noun. And these describing words tell us about special quality of that person, place, animal or thing. And describing words also known as adjective. What we call describing words? Adjective. Adjective is the second name of describing words. Both are same. Describing words or adjective. Right? So, better you know these describing words as adjective. Okay. Now, I hope you all understood. Right? What is describing word? Which describe the quality of a person, place, animal or thing. Which tell us more about person, place, animal or thing. Okay. Describing words also describe how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smell or sounds like. Right. So remember all these quality of a describing words. Okay, now on next page, page number 17, let's do exercise. See, fill in the blanks with suitable describing words. Take words from the box below. Here we have to see the picture, and through this picture we have to fill in this blank, and we can take the help of these words of this box. Which words are there? Easy, long, strong, fat, round, happy and tall. These words are here. So let's see one by one. First sentence. Mr. Lal is a blank man. So Mr. Lal is a which man? Strong man. Right? So we will write here strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong man. So from here cut strong. Okay. Then. Why is Alisha so blank? See here, this is the Alisha. Alisha is smiling. So Alisha is what? Happy. Right? H-A-P-P-Y. Why is Alisha so happy? H-A-P-P-Y. Third, I cannot climb this blank coconut tree. Coconut tree is tall. So we can say I cannot climb this tall coconut tree. T-A-L-L. Coconut tree. Okay. Next. Mrs. Yadav is very blank. She cannot pass through this door. See, this is Mrs. Yadav. So Mrs. Yadav is very what? Fat. Okay. So write here fat. Fifth, these sums are blank. I can do all of them. This girl is doing homework and she is telling these sums are what? Easy. Right? So she can do all of them. So write here easy. E-A-S-Y. Easy. The ball has a blank shape. Which shape? Ball has a round shape. Okay, so we will write here round. R-O-U-N-D. Round shape. The giraffe has a blank neck. The giraffe has a long neck. Okay, so these all words are describing words, or we can call it adjective too. Okay students, next exercise, exercise C on page number 18. Now see, circle the describing words in this story. Here, one story given, we have to circle the describing words in this story. So let's read the story. It was a sunny day. So here which word is telling us quality of a day? Sunny, right? So sunny is a describing word. So circle these words sunny. Okay. Limpy the little lamb was standing in the field. Right? So here which word is an adjective? Little. So circle the word little. His coat was thick and woolly. How was the coat? Thick and woolly. So these two words are also adjectives. So he was hot. Okay. So hot also an adjective. He wanted to sit under a shady tree. Which word? Shady. Okay. Sit is verb. Under is a preposition. Tree is noun. While shady is describing word. But the white cow and the black goat were already there. So white, right, color, black also color, right. These two words are describing words. So Limpy stood under a tiny plant. What is an adjective? Tiny. But that did not help. Limpy was angry. Angry is also showing the quality of Limpy, right? Okay. Just then Tommy, the big dog, came there. Big. Limpy told him everything. Right? Limpy told him everything. Let us go to the stream, Tommy said. Let's go to the stream. We will have a bath. We will take their bath. Both Limpy and Tommy jumped into the water. The water was cool, very cool. The water was very cool. Limpy was now happy. Right? So these words which we have circled here, these all words are describing words, adjective. You all read one more time this story, okay? Okay students, next exercise, exercise D on page number 19. Now see here, what we have to do, read these sentences. Now write the describing words and the naming words they describe. Okay, now see here. Here what you have to do, you have to write the describing words and naming words both. Right, now you don't know what is describing word. Describing words which describes quality of a person, place, animal or thing, or which tells us something more about a person, place, animals or thing. And naming words is what we have already done. Naming words is a word which shows the name of a person, place, animal or things. So here from this sentence we have to identify both the things and we have to write it here. So let's start. First sentence. Birbal was wise. Now here which word is describing word? Wise. Right? Wise. And which word is naming word? Birbal. Right? Birbal. So, wise and Birbal. Okay? Birbal and wise. Okay. The apples are juicy. So, here apples are naming words and juicy is describing word. So, let's write here juicy and apples here in naming words. Third. It was a dark night. Now you tell me which word is describing word? Correct. Dark. And which word is naming word? Night. Okay. So we will write here dark and this side night. Okay. Fourth. The question was difficult. The question was difficult. Here which word describe the qualities? Difficult, right? And what is difficult? Question. So, question is a noun, right? So, write question here in this side, in this column, right? Fifth, do not go into deep water. Which word? Deep. And noun water. Kolkata is a large city. Right? Here which word? Large. Okay? And city. Here Kolkata is a proper noun. Right? Naming words is city. Now see, young boys can run fast. Right? Young boys can run fast. So, young and boys. Mother cooks tasty food. Now tell me, tasty food. Good. The milk is hot. Hot and milk. Ravi gave a grand party. Ravi gave a grand party. So, grand and party. This is a sharp knife. Sharp and knife. Prem is an honest shopkeeper. So, honest and shopkeeper. Do you understand now, all of you? Which word is describing word and which word naming words? The apples are juicy. Apples, juicy. It was a dark night. Dark night. The question was difficult. Difficult question. Do not go into deep water. Deep water. Kolkata is a large city. Large city. Young boys can run fast. Young boys. Mother cooks tasty food. Tasty food. The milk is hot. Hot milk. Ravi gave a grand party. Grand party. This is a sharp knife. Sharp knife. Prem is an honest shopkeeper. Honest shopkeeper. Okay. So do this work in your grammar textbook. Okay students, next exercise on page number 20, exercise E. Some describing words are given. Against each of them write a word opposite in meaning. Take words from those given below. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the opposite words of these words. Here some describing words are given. We have to write the opposite words. And the opposite words are given below here. You can find out from this. First is already given, weak, strong. Okay. Second, wet. What is the opposite of wet? Dry. Okay. So, write down here, dry. Wet matlab gila. Dry matlab सूखा. Wet, dry. Okay. Okay. Third, wide. Wide than narrow. 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 Fourth, wise. Foolish. You all know wise, right? Very knowledgeable. Foolish, murk. Wide, broad. Okay, opposite of broad, narrow. Fifth, dark. Dark, bright. B-R-I-G-H-T. Here you cut the word which you have already written. So, dry we have written, foolish we have written, narrow we have written, bright we have written. Okay. Now, cheap. Okay, sasta. Right. Then, costly. Costly, महंगा. Active. What is the opposite of active? Lazy. Okay. So, write down here, lazy. Happy, sad. Poor, rich. Hard, soft. Okay. So, these are opposite word which we have written. You can cut it here one by one. So, it will be easy for you to find it out and write. So, in this way here we have completed this chapter describing words. I hope you all understood.